Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this Asus. First of all, just access Settings and scroll down. Now choose Privacy section and click on Permission Manager. From here you need to access one of your device's features by tapping on the chosen one, like Camera. Then select one of your apps. I will go with Chrome and click on one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I go back, as you can see, Chrome gained access to this device location if I'm using it. But you can always pick any feature and then an app that you are interested in. For example, I want to see all permissions for my clock. Then click on See All Clock Permissions instead and manage all of them from here, only for this app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!